Dad, what is that?
It's nothing.
That is not nothing. They're cockroaches.
Cockroaches? Ew!
It's only one or two.
You may only see one, but they tend to hide. So seeing one is a good sign of a bigger problem. They may be living in cracks, under and behind appliances, or even in your walls.
It won't hurt you.
Dad!
No one wants cockroaches in their home. They carry disease and contaminate your food. They're also unsightly and can make your home feel unclean.
They'll go away by themselves. They have legs, you know.
Dad!
They won't go away by themselves, and they reproduce quickly. A few cockroaches can quickly lead to an infestation.
Mom!
Call the problem solvers at Viking today. Let Viking's highly trained professionals handle your pest problems with our modern and effective solutions.